So hi बच्चों, good morning to every one of you. This is MK Yadav and today we are going to start a new topic of class 7 science chapter 8 soil. So the topic which we are going to start today, that is very important topic. So we discuss about this topic, formation of the soil. Soil formation is a slow stepwise process and it takes thousands of years to form a layer of soil. I mean, formation of soil is not just a little bit process, it's a long and slow process and it takes long time. Just a few centimeters thick, the layer of the soil, just few centimeters thick, it is result of continuous breaking down of rocks. I mean, the rocks break down and they are found in small particles and these particles are converted into soil by a process called weathering. The breaking up of the rocks into smaller pieces over thousands of years is called weathering. I mean, weathering is a kind of process where the rocks break down into small particles and these particles are converted into soil. Factors that cause weathering. The agents and factors that cause weathering of the rocks include, it can be included here, wind, water, temperature changes and living things. All these play very important role in formation of the soil. So let's talk about water. When water moves around mountain slopes, it carries loose rocks with it. Means when water moves from upside to downside, then it carries rocks with it and these rocks are broken down into small particles and these particles are later on converted into soil. The moving rocks heat other rocks on the way. The fine particles that chip from the rocks get deposited in the river beds as a soil. You must have seen, if you have gone at that place where the flowing of water you can see, so you will find lots of small particles, I mean below the water. So you will come to know about that how the formation of soil takes place. So next one we are talking about wind. When winds blow at high speeds in the mountains, loose rocks slide down the slopes. I mean, when winds blow at high speeds, so you must have heard mountains, loose rocks. उसमें जो mountain पर rocks होते हैं वो lose करते हैं, टूटते हैं, and slide down the slopes, और नीचे टूट करके आते हैं. They hit against one another and break into small pieces. I mean, they hit to each other and they break down into small pieces, and the wind carries these fine particles and deposited them elsewhere as a soil. I mean, these particles flew from one place to another and they are deposited as some place which are formed as a soil. So now next one we are talking about temperature. Large variation in the day and night. Temperature also leads to weathering of rocks. Rocks expands during the day. I mean, rocks expand during the day and contract during the night. मीन्स रॉक जो होता है वो डे को क्या करता है, एक्सपेंड करता है, फैलता है, एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ड्यूरिंग द नाइट, और रात को जो है वो दिन में तो फैलता है, रात को जो है सिकुड़ जाता है. दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ अल्टरनेट एक्सपेंशन एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्शन काजेज द ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ रॉक्स. इसके कारण क्या होता है, रॉक्स टूटता है एंड द स्मॉलर रॉक पीसेस फाइनली चेंज्ड इनटू सॉइल, और बाद में सॉइल में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. लिविंग थिंग्स. Roots of plant can help break rocks. Sometimes soil gets trapped in the cracks of rocks. कभी कभी जो roots होते हैं plant के, वहाँ पर rocks टूट करके जो है soil के form में जा करके deposit हो जाते हैं. When seed fall into the soil, it sometimes germinates. The roots of the growing plant can break the rock into smaller pieces. उस समय जो वहाँ पर seeds होता है, अगर प्लांट के सीड्स वहाँ रहेंगे तो जर्मिनेट कर जाते हैं, और जर्मिनेट करने के बाद जो रॉक होता है वो स्मॉल पीसेस में टूट जाता है. बोरोइंग एनिमल्स आल्सो ब्रेक एज दे डिग. बहुत सारे एनिमल भी क्या होते हैं उसको तोड़ देते हैं. So all these were the important points which I taught you. So today you have to learn all these points which were very very important. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you face any problem, so don't worry, I'm with you. Okay, so good, have a good day, take care.